Hi, welcome to question 38 of the STARR review. The length of a rectangular frame is 15 inches and the width of the frame is 8 inches. What is the length of a diagonal of this frame in inches? We need to find out the diagonal. So first, let's draw this rectangular frame. Okay, so the length is 15 and the width is 8. We need the diagonal here, Okay, so since this one is a rectangular frame, that means the angle is a right angle, and we have a right triangle here. Right triangle. When we have a right triangle, that's when we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so this diagonal, it is across the right angle. This is a hypotenuse. Or we use C. And these two sides are the legs. We use the letters A and B to represent the two legs. According to the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared will equals to c squared. As we know, A is 8 inches and B is 15 inches. Let's put the values in. 8 squared plus 15 squared will equals to c squared. Now we can use a calculator. 8 squared means 8 times itself. That's 64. And 15 squared is 225. So 64 plus 225. And that will equals to 225, 289. 289 is c squared. We know c squared is 289, and we want to know just the c. Then c should be the square root of 289. C should be the square root of 289. Let's do the square root of 289. 289 square root is 17. C is 17. And we find out the diagonal of this rectangular frame. The hypotenuse in this right triangle, C, is 17. And the answer is 17 inches. And that solves this problem. Peace.